So you said then that the kids took their hats, their costumes, and these wagons. I mean, tell me a little bit more. Did they go through the school? Like, what did that look like?
Absolutely. So we have another class that are fourth graders, and those are what we call math buddies. And so probably once every other week, as they earn rewards in their class, they get to come and pair with our kids. So I asked the fourth grade teacher if their math buddies could actually pull the wagons so that the kids could focus on. We also were passing out rulers, and we passed out like I'm trying to think what else. I had like little math pencils and little math stickers. So almost like a Mardi Gras that you just kind of like pass out and go and have fun with it.
Yeah.
So that's kind of what we ended up doing. So we started at the very front of the school. We walked through each grade hall. So we walked through kindergarten, first, second, all the way through fifth. And the students were outside their classes cheering and just lined the halls. So my kids were passing out the rulers, passing out the stickers as our math buddies pulled the wagons through the different grades.
I used to do math buddies when I taught kindergarten, and we paired up with the second grade class, and it was the most powerful little learning experience when we would do that. And I love that you guys are partnering second to fourth too.
Yes.
So cool to see that, and just a neat way to bridge that older to younger mentorship and all of that. That's so neat. And so then when the kids did they have, so they were throwing out, like you said, the Mardi Gras, like they're throwing out pencils and rulers and fun things like that. Did they have anything that they had to say, or is it more so it was like an observational thing where the different classes were just like looking at the posters and looking at the hats, or did they have anything to present or?
Absolutely. So the original idea was for my students to connect with the vocabulary terms. However, a lot of the feedback that I received was how much fun it was for the other classes and how they really enjoyed seeing the costumes, and that they started being able to connect some of the costumes with things that they were learning in their own. Because we're so vertical alignment between the grades is just so important to be able to scaffold. And so that gave the other teachers a really great talking point in their class. Like, did you see the grandfather clock, or did you see this or that? And they were able to observe it and talk about it. So it was more of an observational for the other classes.
I love that.